My dear students of the School of the Holy Spirit, in our gospel passage for today, a man came up to Jesus and was asking Jesus to arbitrate, to help them divide a property. In Tagalog, we have what we call hating kapatid. Because they are brothers, they get an inheritance. He is asking Jesus to define what hating kapatid is. Now, what is kalahati? What is one half? We get to have an idea thanks to our basic education. When our teachers, math teachers, tell us about fractions. So it's not just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We begin to learn about one half. And half of that, we know to be 1/4, and 1/8, and 1/16, and 1/32, and 1/64, and 1/128, and we can go on. But say, for example, you have a piece of cake, and we can visualize what 1/2 is. We can visualize what 1/4 is. Now, it's quite challenging to visualize 1/8 of a little piece of cake. And it's almost impossible to visualize 1/16, let alone 1/32 of a very small cake. So while on paper, we understand the workings of fractions that seem not to be always effective in defining kalahati in the actual world. And the man was asking Jesus for a scientific, mathematical, exact definition of hating kapatid, focusing on the hati. Jesus' answer will always be focusing on the kapatid. What is hating kapatid? Focusing not on the word hati, but on the word kapatid. When you have a little brother or a little sister, and there is, for example, juice, you pour juice on a glass and wait until your little brother or little sister is satisfied, and then you get your turn. You wait until the weakest, the smallest, the frailest will be satisfied before the elder ones, before the stronger ones, before the richer ones can have their share of whatever it is to be shared. I repeat, Jesus did not answer the mathematical question of the man, what is kalahati? Because Jesus' answer falls rather on the relational, what is kapatid? And the answers will be defined not by numbers, but by love, by care, by forgiveness, by responsibility, by connection, by what it means to be family. So my dear students, let us learn our math well, but likewise, let us learn our faith well. Jesus reminds the man not to be greedy, but rather understand what it means to care, to love, to be responsible, to be sacrificing for the sake of others. May we listen truly to the answer of Jesus, not to what he did not say, what is kalahati, that is fraction, but what he actually said. Do not be greedy. Love, care for each other, respect each other, sacrifice for each other, and be responsible for each other.